Okay, so guys, by the way, the review of the laser water gun thing, number 2 isn't coming out. But I'm just telling you how far it goes is like 30 feet, okay? So now I'm gonna be singing Mockingbird for you by Eminem, and I'm just gonna put on lyrics, okay? Now the reason I'm doing that is because I don't have lyrics stuck in my head, okay? So let's do this. Yeah. I know sometimes it always makes sense to right now. But hey, what? Straighten up, little soldier. Straighten up that upper whip. What's you crying about? You got me. I know you miss your mom and I know you miss your dad, but I'm trying to give you if they never had. See your head, they're now in the wrath. I can see in your eyes deep inside. I don't want to cry because you're in there. It's in your prayers. No, I know there's anything in those days. We don't do it. I know there's anything. I know. In the world, it when it twirls. When it hurls, over your girls, working puzzled in the days. It's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move. Mama's trying to see on news. They keep it on backfires on me. All the things growing up his daddy. And you see that we did not plan to be this way, your mother and me, but it had been together. We couldn't back. We were in teenagers. Then, I guess everything over. But that's what destiny is. But no more worries. Rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Then up there, whip me, baby. Told you, don't hold you back. I'm here right now, but you don't know why. The things are too bad. And crazy, pretty lady, and promise that's gonna be alright. It's funny, you remember back when you had no money, Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree. Said one of them were for me, cause I never managed to get them tired the whole night crying cause they felt like a bomb. See, they had no job, just food on the table, in that time. Then you kept getting broken into and robbed, shot up in the block, and your mom was trying to sing for you and trying to start peeking back. Cloud drums had $1,000. Some broke in, so it hurts red. It was mom's heart, and it reaching fall apart. Mom and dad, you know what? Mama moved back home, and when the apartment and dad moved in, out of 8 miles, no far. That's when Daddy went to California. She didn't met Dr. J. See me. He'd leave me and Daddy on TV. Mama didn't like it. You don't understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone. Mama was a habit. Too fast for you to grab it. And I'm so sorry you wouldn't. Cause all I ever wanted is to in this empty house, just room, and this baby history is empty. This is now, well, it's too pretty much are. And Daddy's still here. Wayne, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here. How about the sound of that chair? It's got rings in it. Hospital, baby, don't you cry. Things gonna be alright. And I'm gonna rip the lady, I told you. And then hold you night. Not here right now, you don't know why everything's on your side. It's crazy, pretty baby. I promise it's gonna be right. You be a talking bird. I'm gonna give the world. I'ma buy you a dance for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you. See you smile. And if that mugger don't sing, I'll do it. And that birdie's neck. To Drew, who sold it to you. Make him hear it to me. Lyrics by Lyrics 1080p. Please subscribe to him, and I'll give a good thanks to 1080p. That's how I give thanks to. So that was Mockingbird by me. Pretty impressed today, and I'm gonna be a rapper when I grow up. I won't go through college. I'll just go be a rapper, okay? Thank you. Please comment, rate, subscribe, peace, and share.